Redi-Rock is a proven solution that lets you create retaining walls that look awesome. That's because each block is cast in a mold taken from real stone. Right now, you can build a Redi-Rock wall with a ledge stone, a cobblestone, or a limestone texture. Redi-Rock blocks are massive. Each block weighs about 1 ton, ranging from 1,200 to 3,500 pounds. To put this into perspective, it took almost the entire Redi-Rock team to lift the combined weight of 1 block. That's why installers take the easy route and use an excavator. And because the blocks are so massive, they're fast and easy to install. These blocks can be used to build tall gravity walls with no reinforcement in many applications. Even taller reinforced walls can be built with the revolutionary positive connection system. Redi-Rock is an engineered retaining wall solution created by engineers for engineers. Our engineers on staff have created a ton of design resources to help make designing your wall simple. All of these resources can be found on our website, and if you have any questions, just give them a call. Redi-Rock is a proven solution. Engineers and architects have been designing thousands of Redi-Rock walls around the world since 2000. You can find them on major highways, critical bridges, beautiful parks, stormwater channels, residential projects, and much more. So what are you waiting for?